Wow, you're really going to fill it to the brim, huh?
Yes. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah,
Wow.
baby. Oh.
Good grief. You haven't practiced this? You have it down to a science. You're like,
I kept on pouring it, and I saw it elevating, and I was like, you need to suck faster.
good grief.
I'm Leif Arneson, and this is my brother Anders. We're on a mission to help 1 million vegans get into the best shape of their lives. Steaks and grass are gross, so even though we can't cook, we made a cooking show to prove how simple and healthy vegan food can be. Welcome to the Mediocre Vegan Kitchen.
Feeling super vascular right now. I'm outflexing you even more than normal. Although you do have some pretty insane
That's not even good.
veins right now.
You wait for it.
What are you pumping up?
I'm squeezing my artery.
What?
The wheel of misfortune. What? Balloon race? Yes! That's his awkward, like.
Ah, this is gonna be terrible. Balloon me. I am so bad at blowing balloons. Like, whenever kids would have, like, birthday parties, this was the one thing I very much did not look forward to. I would actually...
He's traumatized. Everyone pointed and laughed at him.
Like, this is so bad.
All right, so the rules of this challenge is it's whoever gets the balloon to pop first.
3, 2, 1. Good grief, that was loud. What the?
Scared the shit. Oh, you ready for this?
No, do it.
There.
Wait, let me breathe. You're gonna try to, like, snuff me out. So today, we're going to make the best black bean beet burger bites. Best black bean beet burger. Ah, blah, blah. All right, those are the beets. Got the rest of the ingredients here. This recipe is super simple. We are going to combine everything in a food processor, lest the TVP that has already been pulsed. You can use a regular blender. You just need to be sure that you are kind of pulsing it as you go, because you don't want to turn this into like a mushy kind of liquid substance. While Anders is cutting those up, I'm gonna start adding the ingredients to the food processor. So we have some soy sauce that's going to go in first. Generally speaking, it's helpful to have kind of the liquid base start in a blender or a food processor. We got some black beans, so we're gonna be adding those in next. Want to get the peanut butter out. So we're going to get the peanut butter. Now we're going to add some onion powder. Gonna sprinkle that around. Then we got some garlic powder as well. We have some smoked paprika. Nice flavor we're gonna be adding to the recipe. And then we have some black pepper. One of my favorite spices. Pepper and salt. All right, we have all of the ingredients now inside of the food processor. We want to add, whoa.
Like a scene in Dexter or something.
All right, well, we want to add some water. Got the water in there.
Ready? I used
We got four.
beets.
Wow.
Look at that.
Beets are really awesome for athletic performance, specifically aerobic endurance, because they increase nitric oxide in your body, which improves blood flow, and it also helps your muscles to strengthen with their contractions. So super valuable. It's great to have some beet juice as like a pre-workout or something like that.
That's why you see a lot of vegan pre-workouts have beet powder within them.
All right, so we're gonna pour in Honor's beets. All right, you're gonna lock these down. These are some serious locks. This is like,
All right, let's pulse it.
let's do it. All right.
I love the color of food.
Yeah, check that out. All right, we're going to scrape down the sides a little bit to make sure we have all of the mixture down there ready to blend.
You know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of.
Ooh. Whoa! Don't do that over the recipe, Honors. You're gonna get plastic stuff in there.
It's plastic.
All right, so we scraped down the sides. Awesome. We've got some pulsed TVP, which is TVP that has already been chopped up.
It reminds me of cranberry sauce on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it does actually. So I'm going to add the pulsed TVP to the mixture, and then we're going to pulse it some more and mix all this up.
Beautiful.
Alrighty, so we now have the final mixture.
It actually smells.
It smells really good. Now what we're gonna do is just divide it up into little sliders, and then we're going to throw those onto a pan and cook them up. So
Yeah.
let's do it.
That's super simple.
Yeah, I feel
We need to hurry this episode. up.
pretty pumped. We gotta get a workout in after this. So we're going to finish making the beets. Oh, I actually forget how to take this thing off. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fashion this into some sliders. Our goal is to make 6. So,
Give me that.
wow, this is very moldable. Yeah, this is easy. What is that?
Is that a perfect freaking circle or what?
All right, we've got our 6 best black bean beet burger bites, and we are going to.
I'd be
fry
very
them up.
impressed if you could do that in one bite.
I'm not gonna. It's not even
Burger,
cooked.
burger bite.
Burger bite.
Whoa. You trying to put your extra stuff on mine?
Yeah, whatever. All right,
All right, let's
gonna fire up the grill.
What's that?
It kind of got stuck actually.
Now we wait a few minutes, and then we flip.
So we got some pretzillas here.
Is that actually what it's called?
Pretzilla. Pretzillas. You can't really get better than a pretzel bun.
Look at that.
Pretty ideal. Here, I'm gonna flip this. Why don't you keep cutting this?
All right, we want to spread the first layer of hummus. We might actually put a second one on. Burger.
You can move back to your side now.
No, you can just get off the set. Let the real professional work. Always put the ketchup down and then I spread it a little bit with the lettuce. Lay that on there. All beautiful like. A pickle on top. And since they're smaller, we just need a little bit of flavor. And then the bun.
Man, what a cute little pretzilla bun. Oh, I forgot the pickle.
You forgot the pickles!
These need little toothpicks. They're like the little toothpick sandwiches.
You ready? Whoa. Actually, look at that.
That looks pretty great.
Perfect ratio right there.
Cheers.
Oh.
It's really good.
That is fantastic. I like these types of burgers because they're softer, but they still have like all the flavors a typical burger would have, and it's not like rubbery or anything like that. And it just tastes like a really clean, healthy sandwich. Yeah, I just like the clean aspect of it. Tastes really good. And the pretzel buns are fantastic. So.
All right.
3, 2, 1. What'd you do?
7-1, 7-9.
Yeah, like these really good. Highly recommend it.
Actually works really well with a skewer in it.
Highly recommend it with a pretzel bun though.
You just serve those at like a cookout or something.
We could open a restaurant.
There we go. All right. Keep your beets boxed
Your buns skewered.
and don't settle for being
mediocre.
just like that outro. All right, let's eat some more.
Oh, would you look at that? Amazon just dropped off our newest package that we ordered 2 days ago.
And this order's especially awesome because we have a beat box.